What's up, guys? Just another day in the kitchen. Today's kind of a special day. I know it's been a minute since we made a video, but hold on. What day is it? Oh, that's right. Today's March 26th. Wait a second. I know what that is. What is that? March 26th, Air Max 1 Anniversary Day. Boom. Just to educate you guys, on March 26, 1987, something special happened. Boom. These were birthed. Air Max 1, you know what's going on, but that's not why we're here. That's not why we're doing the video. This right here is something special's inside this. I'm sorry if you guys couldn't hear it. It is pouring right now. That's Florida for you, but here we go. Let's see what's going on in here. Alright guys, just had to move inside to avoid the rain. Before we go any further, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food, all social media, just so you guys can stay up to date with all new things, all giveaways. What I'm doing right now is showing you guys what the laces look like before we go ahead and do the actual KAWS lacing, but enough of that. Let's get going. We're here for this and one reason only. Let's get it. And here it is, guys. Just a closer look. This is the KAWS style lacing. Just showed this on our Instagram, just so you guys can get an idea. You know, nothing too crazy. Alright guys, first things first, what we're gonna do is just unlace all of these, so that's nothing too crazy. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up everything. And a special shout out to all of our followers that engage with us and that keep us cooking every single day, week in and week out. Just wanted to show some love. Thank you guys for suggesting a video or just asking questions. Made sure that I made this today, the next day, so thank you guys again, and I hope that this definitely helps all of you guys. Alright guys, so now that we have our strings the same length, what we're going to do is start off with the first eye of the KAWS figure. So as you guys can see, we have these first two holes done right here. What we're going to do, I'm going to start off with this one. Just go right into this first loop up here. Just want you guys to get an idea. We're going to go through, check it, pulling all the way through, and then we're going to go over. And what this is doing, you're getting the first steps of the actual KAWS eyes. As you guys can see, all I did was go over, now under, and I already out. And then all we're doing is we're going under, we're going back into the sneaker, up through the netting, back through here, pulling through, and down under. Go ahead and do that for both. This thing's starting to take some shape, as you guys can see. Now go ahead, like I said, do that for the other one as well. Just go to the diagonal area, pull through, and see what else is cooking. So, you might get caught on the pull tab, you might not. But again, we're just going through here, pulling through, pulling up. Make sure you're all tight and even. Okay guys, this is where we're at with it now. We have the first two eyes. Alright guys, now that we have the first two eyes out of the way, let's go ahead and focus on this next section. And just before we go any further, make sure that your laces are about the same length. Now what we're doing is we're going back through the sneaker, and what we're going to focus on up here is this cross section. Super simple. It's still easy to mess up, so just be careful. Again, we're just going through these first loops up here, and then we're going to go up and across. And sometimes you might get caught on that pull tab, as I just did, but it's not a big deal. Now that we've got this cross section taken care of, let's go ahead and focus on the last and probably the most iconic part, the ears. Alright guys, last but not least, the iconic KAWS ears. If you've been following along, you should have these two holes left on either side, and if you don't, just go ahead and rewind. Now to start, all we're doing is we're taking the lace and we're going up and through the closest hole to the bottom. Some people might start at the top, but what I found out is that the closest hole to the bottom works best for me. So as you guys can see here, all we're doing is we're pulling under and then we're going over. Now that you guys have this big loop created, there's only one more step. Go ahead and free the lace if it isn't already, like I'm doing here, and then go ahead and start making loops ascending up. Some people might start going up and then down, but this works for me, as you guys can see here. But all I'm doing is making smaller loops and then going up. What you can do then is also take the excess lace and tuck it inside. Now all that's left to do once you've got one side done is of course to finish the other. It might take you a little bit to go ahead and fix the actual loops on the ears, but that's all up to what aesthetic you're going for. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it was informative. Never done a video like this before, so let me know if you enjoyed it and how I can make it better, of course. And thank you guys for cooking with us, and stay safe.